Hey there everybody, and welcome back to Health Well. Some people find it hard to consume enough protein in the day. However, your muscles cannot grow without sufficient amounts of protein. This is why in today's video, we're going to go over what protein is, why you must include high-protein foods in your diet, the 10 best high-protein foods to keep you healthy, and their benefits. Make sure you watch this video until the end to see what food items you should include in your meals. So, what is protein? Protein is an essential nutrient that your body requires to grow, rebuild, and maintain cells to function properly. You can find protein in a variety of foods, and it is vital to add an appropriate amount of protein to your diet. So, how do you know what amount of protein is good for you? Well, many factors like your gender, health, height, and weight decides the amount you should be taking. But experts recommend that you consume 0.8 grams of protein per kilo of body weight, or 0.36 grams of protein per pound of body weight. When you intake protein, it breaks down into 20 different amino acids that your body utilizes for energy and growth. But that's not all. One of the amino acids, called tryptophan, releases the hormone serotonin, which helps your body to reduce anxiety, depression, and stabilize your mood, happiness, and overall well-being. Most animal-based protein sources like poultry, eggs, meat, dairy, and fish provide all the essential amino acids your body requires, while plant sources of protein like beans, nuts, grains, and vegetables fail to provide all essential amino acids. However, that does not imply that you just need animal sources for amino acids. By including different types of plant-based proteins, you can easily provide your body all the goodness of amino acids it requires. Let's check out 10 delicious food items that are high in protein. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest options you could have in your meal. They provide you with all the minerals, eye-protecting antioxidants, vitamins, brain nutrients, and healthy fats you need in your diet. Whole eggs are rich in protein. However, egg whites are the purest form of protein you can get, while egg yolk is the place where you will get lots of vitamin A, D, and E. Apart from this, eggs can help you feel fuller for longer, hence you will eat fewer calories. And besides, you can't get enough omega-3s in any other foods, which is good for your heart and drops the risk of heart problems and obesity. A large egg has around 6 grams of protein with 78 calories. It is recommended to add eggs to your breakfast. It can be eaten baked, poached, boiled, scrambled, steamed, or fried. You can enjoy every form of egg and even include freshly sautéed green vegetables and salad with it. Number 2. Chicken breast. We all are familiar with how delicious chicken breasts are. Who knew it is the richest source of protein? If you remove the skin, it gets low in fat and rich in protein. It is considered best for those who want to lose some inches and popular among bodybuilders. It has high protein and low calories, which means you can enjoy more chicken without stressing about calories. A skinless and cooked chicken breast of 174 grams has 54 grams of protein. The best and healthiest way is to remove its skin and bake it in the oven or add varieties of stir-fried vegetables, salads, and fruits of your choice to the plate. Number 3. Beef. Beef can provide you a high amount of protein in less quantity. When it comes to beef, there are many types of beef to choose from. If you are having a low to moderate amount of carbohydrates, then lean beef is the right choice for you. However, if you are following a low carbohydrate diet, then you should include the fattiest cuts of beef in your diet. Lean beef is considered the healthiest among all, and it is rich in B12, iron, and other essential nutrients. 85 grams of lean beef consists of 25 grams of protein and has 186 calories. Number 4. Tuna. What is the first fish that comes to your mind? Tuna, right? Tuna is considered the richest source of protein, which has a low calorie count. It is a lean fish and has less fat. Like any other fishes, tuna is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients. A can of 142 grams consists of 27 grams of proteins with just 128 calories. It is great when it comes to the variety of ways you can have tuna in your diet. You can include it in your sandwiches, wraps, snacks, and salads. Be careful with the servings, as the experts advise you to take around 12 ounces of seafood in a week. You can add mayonnaise if you want, but only if you are not diet conscious, as it adds unwanted calories to your meal. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is the healthiest green vegetable that has vitamin K, C, potassium, and fiber. It also has bioactive nutrients, which help your body with fighting cancer. It has the highest amount of protein compared to other vegetables. 1 cup, which is 91 grams of raw broccoli, has around 31 calories and 3 grams of protein. You can add broccoli to salads, pasta, sandwiches, and meat. Number 6. Quinoa. Do you want something healthy other than steamed vegetables? Try quinoa. It is rich in fiber, vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. It has got all the 11 vital amino acids to satisfy your protein intake, making it a great choice for vegetarians and vegans. They are also packed with lysine, that is one of the essential amino acids required to build collagen for muscle tissue and bone recovery. 1 cup, which is 185 grams of cooked quinoa, has 222 calories and 8 grams of protein. It is considered a superfood, which could be included in salads, burger patties, tacos, soups, stir-fry veggies, and porridges. Number 7. Brussels sprouts. These are the second best option in vegetables that are high in protein. They have a high amount of nutrients like vitamin K, C, A, folate, fiber, carbs, manganese, and are rich in antioxidants. Besides, they can also help fight cancer, maintain healthy blood sugar levels, may reduce inflammation, and has omega-3 fats. 88 grams of Brussels sprouts consist of 38 calories and 3 grams of protein. It is the healthiest option to add to your salads, sandwiches, toast, or just sprinkle salt, pepper, and chili flakes and have it as an evening snack. Number 8. Pumpkin seeds. Before you take a bite of a freshly made salad, add a small number of crunchy pumpkin seeds. They have a huge amount of nutrients like iron, zinc, magnesium, selenium, and minerals. Did you know even a tablespoon of these seeds has 3 to 5 grams of protein? You must measure the quantity before going crazy with the seeds, as a tablespoon of these seeds has 60 calories. If you're on a diet, then stay away from the oil-roasted seeds. Always opt for naturally dried pumpkin seeds and enjoy sprinkling some seeds in your meal. Number 9. Avocados. Who doesn't like avocado toast? They not only provide protein, but healthy unsaturated fats that are great for your heart. They also have an adequate amount of nutrients like potassium and fiber. It contains the goodness of beta-carotene and omega-3s, which help in improving your immunity. 1 medium-sized avocado consists of a total of 322 calories and 4 grams of protein. Make sure to take fewer portions, as they are high in calories. You can enjoy avocados on toast, in a salad bowl, smoothies, tacos, pasta, and scrambled eggs. Number 10. Guava. Sadly, this tropical fruit is not available everywhere. It is one of the highest protein-rich fruits that is packed with vitamin C. It has a lot of great benefits for your body, like maintaining a healthy heart, helps in weight loss, increases immunity, improves skin texture, good for the digestive system, maintains healthy blood sugar levels, and is also beneficial for period cramps. Each guava consists of 38 calories and 1.4 grams of protein. You can simply enjoy it by sprinkling salt, pepper, and chili powder, and it tastes phenomenal. It is a great source of protein and also helps you lose weight. So, how do you maximize the benefits of having protein? The short answer is exercise. If you include a daily session of workouts like aerobic exercises, jogging, running, weightlifting, or brisk walking, having high protein foods can be very beneficial for your health. If you are someone who exercises regularly and wants to gain more muscle mass, then you do not require extra protein. However, protein consumption alone will not help you gain muscle mass. It is the stimulation of the muscles by working out, not additional protein intake, which promotes muscle growth. It's also important to note that the packed protein bars that you love munching on consists of additional unwanted carbs and sugars, which could add more calories to your diet. Try to find natural sources of protein in vegetables, animal products, nuts, and fruits. It is also recommended to drink plenty of water and stay hydrated. It is best to have a properly balanced meal every day at the proper time Keep yourself hydrated and include 25 to 30 grams of protein in each meal. Now you understand what protein is and how it plays an essential role in improving your body, right? What kind of foods would you like to include in your meals? What are your favorite food items? And how are you going to include them in your meals? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications so you will not miss out on any of our videos on health, wellness, and much more. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.